Well, welcome over here.
Yeah.
This is Ali de Hoeven, that's the name of our farm. And my name is Juliet. And we make cheese over here. We make hartkaas.
Oh.
Yeah, I always say it's just like my husband in the night, you know. So we have Gouda cheese or Gouda cheese. And the name of our cheese is Henry Willert. That's Henry Willert. He started 50 years ago making cheese and he's still in the business. And yesterday evening we had a special night. So we celebrate. It was very nice. But that's why we also started 1 hour later. And that's not, you can better start usual time because now I'm in a back with everything and, so no, I'm very autistic for that. Now, so Henry Willert cheese. Now, we have our own cows. We have Fries Holstein cows. That's a cow white and black. And we have Jersey cow. That's the brown cow. And guess what? The color of the milk will be?
White.
I always people and then they say brown. I said yes, and the milk is out with chocolate milk. Now, the first thing we do is pasteurize. Pasteurize is heating up until 72 degrees Celsius. Then you have a very soft cheese. And then we have this. This is a rennet that makes milk thicker. You pour it into the milk, you wait for half an hour, and then you can turn milk or cut milk. Now, we have chosen for a vegetarian version of the rennet because today a lot of people have difficulties with eating cow and meat, so it's with plants and not with the stomach of a cow. Then we turn milk, and it's with these. It's like this. In the end, there will be, be careful, this. We have a liquid part that's called a whey, and a thicker part is called a curd. Now, the whey, it's not for cheese. No, you don't like it. No. Because the whey, it's not for cheese. It's for factories. You can make cosmetics out of it. That's why it's still so beautiful. It's for energy drinks, and in Germany, they drink it. Are there people from Germany over here? No? Ooh, okay. So, they drink it. And that's funny. Because the whey itself, it's very healthy, my body will do, it's excellent. But the flavor, no, it's awful. So we make beer out of it. And the beer is healthy and you don't get the flavor. Well, the curds in the end will be for cheese. So we have a bowl like this. And only curds will be plain cheese, but we also have with flavor. So we have pesto, garden herbs, pepper. Oh, and this year we have a special cheese. It's with the flavor of whiskey.
Oh.
Now, yeah, there's no alcohol inside, I'm sorry, but the flavor of whiskey. But they are herbs like this, although the whiskey is of course liquid. And you put it into the tank with the milk, then you turn. And then you have to press it, because there is always whey in the cheese, so you have to squeeze it off. Then it goes to a bath of salt. Every cheese needs salt. It gives flavor to the cheese, and it will kill the last bacteria, so it's in there for 8 or 9 hours. And then we paint cheese with plastic. This is a layer of plastic. With plastic, the cheese is protected for bacterials, but it can take oxygen in and out, so it can mature. Now, 3 weeks is for young cheese. 1 year for old cheese, and 3 years is very old cheese. And then people want to know if old cheese is the best. No, not necessarily. It's the same with men. Some like and some like oats. I prefer young. Second layer, that's the wax. This is the wax, wax paraffine. With the wax, the cheese is closed. Nothing happens with it anymore, and it will be good for 6 to 7 months without changing. And it's also not necessary to put it in the fridge, so you can travel with it. And for us, it's important. You can bring it to the United States, and Canada, and Australia. It's not a problem. Keep it closed, declare, and then it won't be a problem. Very important as well. Don't eat plastic and wax. No, we are Dutch people. Like a mouse, they eat it. Mouse eats as well. So we cut it off with the kaasgraaf.
Oh.
Look. Do you already know the most difficult word in Dutch? Is 8,888 is 8,888. You can practice with Rob. Because it's all the hooks, you know, that's what the cast. And if you want to eat spaghetti, we have it's also very nice. You can also do vegetables with cucumber and so on. Well, we also have this cheese. This is not a sausage, but it's smoked cheese. It's a very nice cheese. And this cheese is very important for the company because Willer always goes to competitions. He shows our cheeses over there. And I don't know what you know about our country, but the national sport in this country is playing football, soccer. Today we have a very, very important day. But we always say that we are very good. No. I wish we would. No, we were not. Although also discussed. But now I'll explain. Because last year we had to play against France. France, 4 goals. Holland, 0. And then again against France. France, 2. And then Holland, 1. Do you know what Virgil van Dijk said? He is the captain of our team. He plays for Liverpool. He's one of the best players in the whole world. Very beautiful man, ladies. God, but that's something different. But he said after the game, we were not in the game. What were you doing, honey? Drinking coffee or something? Well, we go to Germany. We are in Germany because today our championship in Germany begins. Because we have the European Championship and we have to play against Poland. Any Polish people over here? No, thank God. Well, our coach is still with hope. Well, let's see what happens. But do you know who is in our pool this year? Again, France. Thank God, Raphael is from Argentina, so we can be friends. We can still be friends. Well, okay. So playing football we don't do good, but making cheese, yes, we can, because this is the world champion, and then made of goat's milk. So we have cheeses made of goat milk, sheep milk, and cow milk. This is a very nice cheese, but this is the most classical cheese we have. But this cheese is made of fresh milk, but you can't bring it to the United States or Canada because it's wrapped in plastic. That's the only reason it's plastic. You can only try. And this is Edam cheese, the rest of the cheeses, so we have 45 cheeses over here. You can all buy if you want, of course. And this is the last one. This is Edam cheese. You've been. Oh, you've been to Edam. Thank God. Edam cheese is round like a football. This is not a good cheese. Don't say it further. It's very hard. It's for my husband. If it's not nice, I will do something. No. Well, let's go inside. I thank you and I wish you a very pleasant day with your lovely guide. Thank you.
Thank you.